he said that you guys had your consult and there wasn't any need for further conversation. He said you argued with
So
him.
the way that adults in police world deal with shit is they hang up?
That's what he told me.
I don't, what did he tell you?
Do you have anything in your mouth?
Washington State, a woman unconscious at the wheel, a lawyer she never reached, a breath test she never took. What broke down between those 3 moments will decide whether this DUI arrest survives in court. Officers arrived on a welfare check lawful under the community caretaking doctrine established in Katie versus Dombrowski. No probable cause required at that stage.
Get out of your cars. Go. Leave, please. Come on, see. Hey, LT.
Hey, any other indication?
No. Outside of these people were pounding on the window when I got here, and she's completely slumped. Could be more of a well check, but I think the safest way to go is to get the pin.
Yep, I agree with the pin. I'm just trying to see if we got a DUI or not.
I'm not going to know until I get contacted.
Okay, I'll let you work. I'll be on my way.
All right, thanks. And 2-2, still no response from the driver. Hey, police department! Hey, police department, can you roll down your window? No, she just tried to put it in park with the water bottle. Hey, Officer Phelps, Federal Police Department.
Yes,
just to let you know you're being audio and video recorded on my body camera.
Okay.
Any reason why you're passed out at the light here?
Oh, I'm not passed out.
Okay.
Yeah.
How come you were not? You were completely asleep at the wheel.
I was not asleep. I was not asleep. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
You weren't asleep?
No, we just have a lot of things going on and everyone's being audio, video, and recorded. So yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Where are you coming from today?
I'm going home from our game.
What game?
Our soccer game.
Okay. Whose soccer game?
My soccer game. My soccer team soccer game.
Okay. Where was that at?
At the show where?
All right. Do you have anything to drink there?
No.
No alcohol at all?
No.
Okay. Any narcotic use today?
No. God, no.
Okay. What would cause you to be slumped over at the wheel at a green light?
Just waiting for the light to turn green. I wasn't slumped over. Waiting for the light to turn green.
Okay. You were completely slumped over, and people were knocking on your window, and you weren't responding at all.
I'm sorry. I didn't realize that we were completely stopped like that.
Okay. So you said your team had a soccer game at Showware?
Yes.
All right. You were playing?
Yes.
What position do you play?
Defense?
Okay. Do you have a driver's license I can see?
Yes.
All right. And then do you have registration and insurance for the vehicle as well? All right. This is not either of those.
Sorry. Let me make sure that I have my registration for you.
What time did the soccer game end?
Is this my registration?
Yep. That's registration.
There you go.
And then do you have insurance for the truck?
Yeah.
What time did the soccer game end?
We had the Stars game was right after our game, so.
Nope. That's a receipt.
What am I looking for?
We're looking for
Registration.
insurance.
Sorry. What does that look like?
Usually it's a small card.
Does this guy want my window done?
No, he's just giving you some light.
Okay. There you go. Hi. Is that?
Yep, that's insurance.
There you go.
All right. I just needed to see that.
All
Would
right.
you be willing to participate in voluntary field sobriety tests with me?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I don't need to see that. I just needed to see it. I don't need to hold it. So why don't you step out and come over to the sidewalk with me? And we'll go through those field sobriety tests.
What am I gonna do?
It's just a series of tests to determine whether or not you're okay to drive, whether you're impaired.
Okay.
We'll go ahead and walk this way around this car. How long have you been playing soccer for?
Since I was 2.
Gotcha, that's a long time. Walk over the sidewalk over here. So I know I asked already, like if you had to guess, what time would you say that soccer game ended?
My game ended, and then we had another game at 6 o'clock.
You guys had another game at 6 o'clock, or you
You
just
want me to
watched?
move my truck?
Nope, you
I
can just
don't
stay here.
really-
Stop right there. All right, do you have any weapons on you?
No.
All right. Can you take your hands out of your pockets? I'm just going to make sure real quick, okay? All right, just keep your hands down by your sides, okay? Do you wear contact lenses or glasses?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have those contact lenses in right now?
Yeah.
Other than that, do you have any issues with your vision?
No.
Okay. All right, I'm just gonna take a quick look at your eyes, okay? For this test, I'm gonna have you just keep your feet together, arms by your sides, and keep your head still at all times. Don't move your head, you understand?
Mm-hmm.
All right, can you see the tip of my finger up here?
Am I looking at your finger?
Yep, look at the tip of my finger. Can you see it?
Yes.
All right, keep your hands down by your sides for me. And then just follow the tip of my finger with your eyes and your eyes only, okay?
Follow the tip of your finger with your eyes and my eyes and only, yeah.
Yep. Eyes and your eyes only. Pupils.
What are you saying?
I'm just walking through my steps. I vocalize what I'm thinking.
Okay, sorry.
Yep. So just keep following my finger, okay?
Okay. There's a bright light right here.
Yep, I know. So I have lack of smooth pursuit.
What?
Nope, I'm just still talking out loud. So just keep following it. Nope, just keep following my finger.
There's a lot of flashlights, is all I'm saying.
I know. All right.
What am I looking at?
Tip of my finger. Same thing that we've been looking at the whole time. Do you have any issues walking? Issues with your legs, feet, hips, anything like that?
No.
Okay. Count your steps out loud and keep
it-
your arms at your sides. And I'm going to demonstrate this for you, okay?
Okay, I feel like this is like, am I allowed to deny this test?
Yep. I told you it's voluntary from the beginning.
Okay.
Do you not want to do it anymore?
No, I just feel like I'm like,
It's a yes or no
I already
question.
feel like I'm balancing.
Okay. It's a yes or no question if you want to do it.
I mean, what happens if I say I don't want to do it?
That doesn't change anything. It's just a part of my investigation. All right, so I've given you the instructions. I can demonstrate for you, and then we can start the test if you'd like.
Sure, demonstrate
Okay.
for me. Okay. You want me to stand like this? This
Yes.
isn't a normal standing position.
I know, and that's part of the test. So keep
It's
your hands
kinda
by your
like-
sides. Okay.
I'm just
All right.
cold.
At this point, you're under arrest.
No,
okay?
no. I'll do what you want
At this
me.
point, you're under arrest for DUI.
Field sobriety tests were offered and correctly labeled voluntary. Under Washington's implied consent law, field sobriety tests carry no penalty for refusal. Advisement, accurate. The horizontal gaze nystagmus test was administered, first of the NHTSA three-part battery. Before the walk and turn was completed, the officer declared an arrest. Graham versus Connor allows arrest on totality of circumstances, not test completed. But horizontal gaze nystagmus alone, without a portable breath test and with an incomplete battery, is a thin probable cause record. Defense will move to suppress.
Oh my god. Okay. But for why? I literally said I would agree with what you're doing, and then you're arresting me.
Because based on the totality of my investigation, you're impaired.
I can do the 9 steps forward if you'd like.
At this point, we're past that, okay? Do you have anyone who's going to poke me, stab me, stick me, or hurt me? Okay. Do you mind just taking her to the
Can I
station?
do
since
like
your car's over
9?
there?
Can I do 9 steps
I'm in the
forward?
middle of a pin. Can you just give me a transport to the station real quick? Since I'm in the middle of a pin. All right.
I don't even know that we're like. Can you move my car?
Yep, so your car is going to be impounded.
I didn't even do what you asked me to do.
Yep, I hear you. So
You just asked me to do, and I asked you a question, and then you said we're arresting you for a DUI. Is your
Yep.
camera on?
Yep, and I told you that from the beginning.
Can I ask you why I was being pulled over?
Because you're asleep at that light.
You weren't even pulled over. I'll come to the station once I can get out of this pin and take over the DUI stuff.
So just so you know, my body cam's on. We're going to be heading to the police station.
Okay, what am I being pulled over for?
So like my partners explained, you weren't pulled over. You were, you fell asleep at the wheel.
Her lack of following directions.
I wasn't slumped over. Oh, yeah, you were.
I said based off my partner's assessment, he believes you were under the influence of alcohol, and that's why you fell asleep at the wheel. Once he gets to the station, he'll talk to you more in depth about why you're under arrest.
All right, go ahead and step on out.
You again.
Yep, me again.
Oh, good. You got my license.
We're going to
Okay.
turn
Do you have
around.
my phone?
No, I do not.
Where is it?
It's in your car.
Oh,
So let's go
it's
and
in
walk
my
towards this door.
pocket.
It was not in your pocket, it was in your car. I'm going to stand and face these blue signs right here. Just hang out right there for a second. Come in here and take a seat on this bench. You can take a seat. Do you understand these rights? Do you understand those rights that I just read you? Krista, that's a yes or no.
I would like to have an attorney present.
Okay, I just need to know if you understand your rights. And I'll get you an attorney.
Hello.
Hey, Mark, this is Officer Phelps with Federal Police Department. Do you have a moment for a DUI consult?
Yeah.
All right, let me know when you're ready.
Was a traffic stop, a collision, or a welfare check?
Welfare check.
There was some PBT or FSTs?
There were some SFSTs. No PPT.
Okay.
So, this is Mark. He's a lawyer. I'm going to step out there, talk to him. Just give me a nod or a yell or something when you're done, okay? Mark's a lawyer. Yes.
He hung up. I don't know what happened. Like, we didn't finish the phone call.
All right.
I don't know if the call dropped, but we weren't done talking. So I'd like to speak to him again, if I can. I don't understand why I can't.
You guys had a long time to talk.
No, literally the call failed. That's not my
Okay.
fault. Like, I have no control over that. I should be able to talk to him again.
All right. I can infer
Infer?
that he probably terminated the call when you were yelling at him that I could hear from
I did not
3 doors
yell
that
at.
way.
I did not yell
So-
at him whatsoever. I did not yell at him at all. You guys are literally treating me like I'm a piece of fucking shit. I didn't yell at him. I asked him a question and he got pissed off because his ass got woken up and his wife had to answer the call.
At the station, the subject invoked counsel. Washington's implied consent statute guarantees every DUI arrestee the right to consult an attorney before deciding on breath testing. The call ended before she received advice. Washington courts require a meaningful consultation, not just access to a phone. A truncated call does not satisfy the statute. If a court agrees, the refusal becomes inadmissible at the Department of Licensing hearing, and the 2-year license suspension falls with it. The officer then told her the department was only required to provide a public defender. That is not what the statute says. The law guarantees the right to an attorney, no category restriction. This misstatement is an advisement error on the record.
Hey, Mark, it's Officer Phelps again. I just wanted to get clarity that you guys had your consult and there's no need for further conversation between you guys.
I think it's inappropriate that I got hung up on, if anything.
Sorry, she's yelling at me.
Oh my god.
All right, I mean, if you guys had, as far as I'm concerned, you guys had enough time to at least have that consult. So if you gave her the basic information that she needs, then I don't see any need for it. But okay, awesome. Thank you.
I'd like to speak to my lawyer.
Okay, I can't connect you with your lawyer. I connected you with a lawyer.
I want to speak to my lawyer.
Okay, unfortunately, you don't have that option.
I would like to speak to my lawyer, and I don't understand why I don't have that option. If you could explain that, that'd be great. Why don't I get the option to talk to my own lawyer?
Do you know your lawyer's phone number?
Mike Meisner. You can look him up.
I'm not looking him up and going down a Google rabbit hole to get
So
his...
why did the guy that I was talking to refuse to speak to me?
He said that you guys had your consult and there wasn't any need for further conversation. He said you were arguing with
So
him.
the way that adults in police world deal with shit is they hang up?
That's what he told me.
I don't... What did he tell
Do you have anything in your mouth?
No.
Okay, I have to look inside your mouth.
Why?
Open your mouth.
For what?
Because I have to do a mouth check.
Can I have my lawyer present?
No. Okay.
Here's my mouth. Why are you acting so annoyed? This is your job. Please repeat
No,
it.
my job is not to repeat things.
Your job is
I
to
have
make
already
sure
read it
that
to you.
I understand what's happening, and I don't understand what's happening.
You're being arrested for DUI. And
Okay,
I'm asking you to submit to a breath test.
please repeat
No,
what you
I
said.
already read it to you.
Well, I would like my lawyer present.
Will you now submit to a breath test? It's a yes or no question.
I would like my lawyer
You
present.
do not have that option. Will you submit to a breath test, yes or no?
How come you told me I have the option to have a lawyer, and then you took it away?
I didn't. I gave you a consult with a lawyer.
And then he hung up on me.
Because he told me you were argumentative with him?
I was not argumentative
You
with
had
him.
the required consultation. That's what
I
you
did
get.
not have it. I
Okay.
asked him a question and he hung up on me.
All right.
Because his wife answered the
Will
phone
you-
call.
will you now
But
submit
why
to a
does
breath
his
test?
wife answer the phone
Okay,
call?
so here's what we're going to do.
I would just like
Okay.
some clarity.
There is no clarity. Here,
Why
I
is there
read
no
you your implied
clarity?
consent. I gave you a consult with an attorney.
But why is there no...
I'm not-
The attorney hung up on me.
Because you were arguing with
I was
him.
not arguing.
Just like you're arguing with me.
I'm asking...
Will you submit to a breath test?
I'm asking
Okay,
questions.
we're going to write a warrant. We're going to take your blood.
I don't understand what you mean. I would like to be... Excuse
Stand
me,
up.
officer. Can you
Stand
please
up.
explain to me what is... I can't stand up. I have a f***ing thing on my ankle.
Yep, and I'm going to take it off. Stand up.
So what is my options? I want
There
to
is
know
no
what my
option.
options
There
are.
is no option. Stand up.
Please tell me my options.
There is no option. Stand up.
If I refuse the breathalyzer test, what happens?
We're past that. Take a seat.
Sit down?
Yes, sit down.
Can I speak to my lawyer?
Sit down. We're past that.
What are we past? What did I
Sit
do that makes
down.
things past it?
Sit down, or I'm going to sit you down.
any questions.
What?
We won't be asking any more criminal involved questions with
My
them.
ankle?
Yep.
There's my ankle giving you gladly. It's
All right.
cold.
So what's going to happen now? I'm going to go write a search warrant for your blood. If it's approved by a judge, we're going to go down to the hospital. We're going to take your blood, and then we're going to take you to jail. You're going to be booked for DUI.
Okay, but I'm curious as to why I can't speak to my lawyer.
I've already given you a consult with a lawyer.
But you
That's the
haven't
end of
given
it.
me. I'm asking you, and you should give me a clear answer.
Because we're only required to provide you a public defender.
You
Okay.
guys, I can't hear you.
She gave no yes or no on the breath test. Under Washington law, that is a constructive refusal, identical in legal weight to an outright refusal. 1-year license suspension, admissible as consciousness of guilt at trial. The officer sought a judicial warrant for blood, correct under Missouri versus McNeely, which requires a warrant for non-consensual blood draws absent true exigency. Officer Phelps, C+, correct on voluntary advisement and blood draw warrant procedure. 2 failures. Arresting mid-battery weakens the probable cause record, and the attorney advisement error may have prejudiced the subject's breath test decision. The subject B, cooperative, did not resist arrest, appropriately invoked counsel throughout. 2 deductions. Denying being asleep contradicts all bystander accounts, and the constructive refusal compounded her legal exposure, when a clear decision either way was strategically stronger. 3 lessons. If a consultation call ends early, object on the record immediately. On the breath test, ambiguity always resolves against the driver. For officers, complete the full battery before arrest. It is the difference between a strong case and a suppression hearing. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like for us to discuss in the comments. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.